Problems. When we think of a problem, we tend to give full importance to only that specific problem. Most of us don't seem to understand that we are corrupted when we give importance to only one thing, which is part of a life. For example, money, sex, sadness, etc., etc. Say, giving importance to sadness. Even when one defeats sadness, another sadness will be led. And the process will go on, destroying oneself. So, here I have some 6 principles, what I call the 6 problems principles, which I think will help us understand problems more deeply. So, principle number 1. Every living human being has problems. A problem-free life is an illusion. For example, an unemployed person thinks his problems would be solved if he gets a job, but in reality, what happens is an employed person also does have problems. In reality, success doesn't eliminate problems, it creates a new one. The thing is, we need to dream. If we have a dream, we have everything, including an awful lot of problems. Remember that the joy of living is the joy of giving. Principle number 2. Every problem has a limited lifespan. Yes, you got it right. Life, it has its ups and downs and its peaks and valleys. We must remember that no one is up all the time, nor are they down all the time, meaning problems do end. Principle 3. Every problem holds positive possibilities. Look, every problem contains secret ingredients in it of some creative potential either for yourself or someone else. Number 4. Every problem will change you. Yes. Problems never leave us the way they found us. They surely will change us in one way or the other. Principle 5. You can choose what your problem will do to you. The point is, you can choose how to react. You know, we can control our reaction even when we can't control the problem, right? So, choose wisely, tender or tough, better or bitter. Principle 6, the last one. There is a negative and positive reaction to every problem. With man, this is impossible, but with God, all things are possible, says Matthew chapter 19, verse 26. Look, if you can solve a problem, you still have the potential to manage it. The potential to manage it creatively and constructively. When we understand these, we will give ourselves a second chance to think, to draw a plan, to believe, to act upon it, and to get results. That's it. Thank you.